Hi, fifth grade. So today we're going to be finishing up our oceanic explorations. Some of you are done. Some of you need today to work. That's okay. There's a couple things that we need to do so that I can get a grade for this project. If you could please go ahead and open your Chromebook for me and go to the Art at Home fifth grade site. All right. So what we're going to do today is we are going to first put a picture in our portfolio. Then you're going to have an interview that you can do with a friend. Because normally I have fifth grade. Since y'all are the oldest ones in school, I usually have y'all present your artwork to each other. But over the years, people have told me that it's a little bit embarrassing, a little bit too much pressure. So I came up with a better way that's a little bit more fun. So what I want you to do is, since you're on the Art at Home fifth grade Google page, if you could please swipe up on the screen, type in ART. You can even put in portfolio, PORTFOLIO, and you should see your art portfolio pop up. Go ahead and open that. If you can't find it by swiping up, there is another way that you can find it. Assignments page, and then scroll down to week 6. There should be a copy of your portfolio still in there if you can't find it by swiping. Go ahead and find it either that way or the other and give me a thumbs up. Awesome. So it's time that we add a photo of what you have so far. So you might be done, you might not be done. We're going to skip all the way until I believe it is slide 22. And we're going to take a picture of what you have. I know it says your final work of art, but technically this is your final day, so this works out fine. You're going to take a quick picture of it by pressing Insert, Image, Camera, and get a good photo of it. And here is terrible, but just insert what you have. You can make it bigger so that I can see it when I'm scrolling through these. And then just give me a thumbs up so I know that we're ready to move on. So now we have a picture in our portfolio. Now it's time that we get our presentation out of the way. This doesn't have to take long, and I made it more fun so that you can do this with a friend today. So if you go to the Art at Home classwork, you'll see at the very top, I put Ocean Exploration Reflection. If you could click that for me, it's gonna give you a link to Flipgrid. So I'm letting the Flipgrid load. You're going to pair and share. What that means is you can team up with someone in the room, find a spot away from others in the room, and you can work on the floor and do a little bit of an interview. I'll show you how that works, and I'm gonna have an invisible friend to help me. So what I want you to ask each other, or ask yourself, if you wanna work alone, that's totally fine. Are you done? So you can say, no, I'm not done. If you're not done, tell me what you're gonna finish today, and then tell me what you like about your work. When you and your partner, or if it's just you, are ready, just press create a response, join with Google. You should know all your info by now. And then you get to record a response. There's even some like fun effects down here. We're gonna take maybe about 5 minutes to do this, and I'll show you what mine turned out to be. You just press the red button. Invisible partner, even though you're an emoji. I'm gonna show you my artwork, or you can do this just one-on-one with the computer. All right, I'm done. What I like about my artwork is I like the texture on the shark. I like the texture on the ground. I like that I put a lot of items, and I like that I really filled up the page and I finished with color. Done. All right, once you're done, just press the green next button. You get to put your name. So let's say I teamed up with a friend. I could put Mr. B and Invisible Friend. You can even title it. So if you want to put a funny title on it, that's fine. You can press submit, and you are all done, and I can see your video, and then you're done for your reflection. You just need one computer for you and your partner, or if you're just doing it by yourself, try to spread out, social distance as much as you can. If you want to use the tables, that's fine, but since you're pairing and sharing, you might as well spread out. Now, if you are still working on it, of course, you can still have some time to paint today. I have your brushes, paper towels, your paint trays, your water cups. You should know our expectations by now, but remember, just get a little bit of water. You obviously need a paper towel for messes. Please place this back neatly so I can sanitize it for the next class. Your artwork needs to go on the drying rack. If you could start from the bottom and work your way to the top. If you've already finished everything and you've shown me, feel free to work on your sketchbook, or if you want to work on your Chromebook, that's fine, but let me check it first so I can make sure you have the best grade possible. If you need any help figuring out what your grade will be, just turn yours over. You should have your rubric on the back. Have a wonderful day.